everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a sky blue, baby blue look for you. I'm going to start doing this more often where I pick one color and then I'm going to do a whole look based off of that color. Today obviously is baby blue realness. Got the accessories to match, you know. I'm going to start doing this with more colors because I usually don't wear colors on my eyes, but I really do like it. And so I'm just going to start picking random colors. And you can also suggest some colors down below in the comments so I can do next. If I find a color that I'm like, ooh, yes, I will do it. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, then let's keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start off with moisturizing my face with the Ole Henriksen C-Rush Brightening Creme. I'm almost out of this. I use this a lot. So how's everybody doing with this self-quarantine? Being locked up inside? I'm great. I feel like I stay home all the time, or I go to my boyfriend's and then just stay inside. So we just been staying here at my place. Feels normal. It's kind of boring sometimes, yeah, but it would be really boring if I was by myself. So that's a good thing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Smashbox Halo Glow Primer. Oh, y'all saw that? Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I love this because I like my glowy skin and this is just super hydrating. My face has been so dry lately. I don't even know what is going on. Like I'll wake up and this part of my face is super dry and then my chin is dry and I'm like, what? It started off just here, then it went to this side, now it's going to my chin. Don't know what is up, but gotta figure it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lip chap. This is the Tatcha lip mask. Hydrate these lips while I'm doing the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. It's very light and I like that. I don't really like heavy foundations like ever. This is what I like. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. So yeah, it's just really light coverage, but it just like evens out my skin tone. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix two concealers together. I'm gonna use the Dior Forever Skin Correct and then Tarte Shape tape. And then Shape tape I'm only gonna put underneath my eyes. Now I'm just gonna blend that out. There we go. Now I'm just gonna set with translucent powder. This one's from Mercier. Dang. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. Working out at home is hard. Like it's super hard for me. I've been doing good at it lately. And I think that's partly because my boyfriend's been staying here. Because like when I'm at home, like I don't work out. That's why I had to hire a trainer because I really wanted to start like getting in the habit of like working out. And then I got in the habit of it and I was good and we were going for like a year. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then I feel like now it's messing me up. And like some days I just like don't feel like working out. But like just working out at home is hard. I'm fine with working out. Like I have no problem. Like I like working out. But just working out at home is hard. Now I'm gonna get this Sephora Micro Smooth Powder and just dab that around all over my face. I've been doing good and I've been working out almost every day during the week. But I'm telling you, I be struggling. Like I feel like I'm not getting as good of a workout. Now I'm gonna use this Smashbox Brow Tech to Go. This one is in the color dark brown. I'm just gonna use the pencil and then just brush up some more hair strokes. Now I'm just gonna brush them up and blend them in. Now I'm just gonna set them with 24-hour brow setter from Benefit Cosmetics. I just noticed you can hear my boyfriend playing his videos on his phone and the TV, but I mean, what can I do now? I'm already so far in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Try not to mess up the little curly Q over there. quiet.
Sorry, babe.
Just a yelling.
Oh, you're so cute.
You having fun out there? Now I'm gonna get this Louise Base. This is in the color 0. So this is the white one. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my eye so that I can get like a intense blue color, because on white it'll pop. So you don't want to put too much. I'm just gonna do a little drizzle, a little drip, just like that. And then we're gonna just like pat it out just on the eyelid part, like right here. Don't really want to go too high up with it. Yeah, just like that, because this is where we want like it really blue. And then we're gonna fade it out. Now I'm gonna use this little single powder. It's a pressed powder from Colourlop. It's called Lost and Found. So I'm gonna start with like a flatter brush. I'm gonna put this on the eyelid and just pack it on. See how intense it is? Probably already would have been a little bit just like this, but the white just makes it even better. Don't want to go too high up because I'm going to blend it out, and I still want it all to stay pretty low. So I'm going to leave it right there and then do the same thing to the other eye. So now you're going to want to get a fluffier brush, and then we're going to get a little bit more of it, and then we're just going to blend it out on the edges. Now I'm going to get this Rustic Glam from Domonique Cosmetics. And I'm going to go ahead and get this color Dreamcatcher. And I'm just going to pat that right on top. It's got some sparkles in it. And it's just going to intensify this a lot. Oh, and it looks so pretty. This blue in this Domonique Cosmetics palette is literally the best. Like, y'all see that? How it went from like to like whoa. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow in the color 8 with all of these pretty colors in the back. I'm actually just gonna use the light blue color right here. This one is called Mother's Boy. And I'm just gonna put it on a really small brush and put it in the inner corner of my eyelid. Now I'm going to go back in the Rustic Glam palette and get the blue, and then put that underneath my eyelid. Now I'm going to get this blue liner. This is from LA Girl. These are their Shock Wave Neon Eyeliners. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this on my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a winged eyeliner. I'm going to use this Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner. You ever put a wing on something and then realize you liked it better without it? Yeah, that's me right now. Can't do nothing about it now. Now I'm just going to throw on some little Ardell wispy lashes in 601. Now I'm just going to curl the lashes up. Throw some mascara on to blend them in. Now I'm going to use this NARS Orgasm X blush. This is a bright blush, so you got to go light with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Smashbox Halo Highlighter Duo palette in the color Golden Pearl. Okay, now I went off and wiped off most of the lip mask. I'm going to use this Dose of Colors lipstick in the color Nude Chica. I'm going to go ahead and use a Colourpop lip liner in the color OBVI and go around the edges. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of a clear gloss right on top. Finish last touch. There we go. So this is the final look. We're going sky blue today. We're going all out. I went ahead and added some little accessories, some blue earrings, my little blue tank top, and of course, these cute blue butterfly clips. I mean, like, who doesn't like butterfly clips? If you don't, something wrong with you. But anyway, so this is the final look. Go ahead and comment below some other colors that you want me to do, and I will get right to those. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.